What's up YouTube? Gene here, back at it again, and welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we'll be doing another game review. Title ng game na to is Hydraverse. Silipin natin yung website and yung white paper and yung mga teaser videos na available na para makita natin ano bang meron dito, di ba? And if you're new to my channel, guys, please do not forget to click that like, that subscribe, and click that bell para lagi kayong notified sa mga announcements, mga updates, anything and everything about play to earn games. Okay? Dami nating gagawing reviews pa this December, January, February, and March. Diyan na yung game launches ng mga nireview natin ng mga nakaraan. So, once na naglabasan yan, gawa natin ng content. Pag naka-notify kayo, unang-una kayo makakapanood. Okay? So without further ado, guys, let's get it on. Intro! Okay guys, so this is the landing page of Hydraverse. Link will be in the description of the video para isang click lang, nandun na agad kayo sa website nila. Okay, so check muna natin yung website guys, and then tingnan natin kung ano yung mga pwede nating malaman about sa game. And meron sila ditong parang teaser video din or parang demo video nung game. Magugulat kayo kasi pwede siyang yung AR or VR, augmented reality, may virtual reality gimmick siya. So silipin din natin yan. Okay, so let's go. Una, ayan, may game story siya. So let's check that one out. Let's see. Ayan. Play mo, bra. Ayan. Ayan yung gimmick niya. So parang story siya. Medyo mahaba din yung niya, yung 1 minute and 19 seconds. Tingnan natin yung pinaka-gist nung niya. Tayo sa may banda dito kasi wala namang masyado ng dito eh. Parang kwento lang, story lang yan guys eh. So pwede nyong balikan itong part na to since baga story siya nung mismong Hydraverse. And makikita ninyo guys, available siya sa Android, sa PC and sa iOS coming soon. So si iOS coming soon. PC and Android muna ang availability niya. So abangan nyo guys, gawa natin ng gawa natin ng gameplay na content yan sa susunod na video. So make sure to like and subscribe and click that bell para lagi kayong notified. Okay, sa natin, mga uploads natin. Okay, so about Hydraverse and a metaverse play to earn PvP dragon racing game. Ayan. Initiate a favorite racing game, and madami din siyang gimmick. Trending play to earn. Players get the chance to open the dragon eggs. Ulitin natin yun dun which later creates unique dragons. These dragons can partake in the race and receive rewards for winning prizes. Players can also generate value by renting their own dragons or displaying them in the exhibition park. So ito guys, sa tingin ko pwede mong iparent, so pwedeng magkaroon ng scholarship dito sa laro na to. So abangan niyo, baka sakaling pag lumabas to, pwede tayong kumuha ng scholars sa inyo, sa mga subscribers ko. So make sure to subscribe, okay? Like and subscribe. Comment nyo na din if you're interested in being a scholar. At saka yung experience ninyo sa ibang games na mga nalaro ninyo. Okay? So para makita ko lang din sino yung mga potential na pwede nating i-consider dito sa scholarship ng Hydraverse. So yan, makita nyo guys, gameplay. Ayan, iba-ibang mga dragons. Ayan. And parang racing game. So medyo naglalag yung niya, yung gimmick niya. Ayan, so okay. So ayan, makita ninyo guys. Liliparan sila para mga salagubang para mga salagubang gimmick nila. Okay, so yan. AR VR gaming experience. Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina guys. Hydraverse will transform NFT game industries with AR VR technologies and bring users better high quality visuals. Experiences better than ever. Ayan, makikita nyo. And so makikita nyo, liparan sila. Kaya lang medyo siya guys, medyo laggy. So, hindi niya mapapansin. So, yan. Pwede niya naman balikan. Okay? Pwede niya naman balikan tong website nila. Silipin ninyo yan. Hindi ko rin alam kung bakit parang ano siya. Parang start, stop. Baka may problema lang yung website nila. Ayan, oh. Diba? Yun yung ano niya. Breeding and training NFT dragon. So, yan. Sinasabi natin. Pwede tayo mag-breed and then pag nag-breed tayo, hanap tayo ng pwede nating scholars para makatulong din tayo. So, lagay ninyo sa comment section. Okay, silipin natin yung Hydra coin. So, yan yung ano nila. Hydra coin. Token summary. Token name is Hydra coin. Token symbol is HDV. Okay. Token supply is 500 million. How to use? Buy gacha. Pay for transferring NFTs. Pay for breeding packages. Pay for rent. Ayan, pwede din gamitin yan. How to earn? Train dragons, sell NFT by auction, stake token or NFT. Ayan, gusto ko yan. Yung staking na yan. Pag lumabas yan, mag-stake tayo dyan. Silipin din yan, again guys, mga previous videos ko sinasabi ko yan para malaman din ninyo na meron pang, di ba, ibang source of income. Instead na lagi kayo naglalaro or something, meron ding passive yan. So kung hindi nyo pa naman kailangan yung token ninyo na ipapalit or hino-hodl pa lang ninyo or hino-hold ninyo yung token ninyo, pwede nyo munang i-stake para kumita pa din siya, di ba? How to burn? Pay for the race fee. Yan, buy pack. Ito yung, ano niya guys, roadmap nyo. So, nasa ba tayo? December na tayo. Alpha version, NFT AR. Ayan, augmented reality agad guys. IDO will be this month. So, sa mga na whitelist, congratulations. Marketplace, staking token, and training dragon will all be this December. So, abangan yan guys. Gagawa natin ng content yan. Again, make sure to like and subscribe and click that bell, set that to all para ma-notify kayo pag nag-upload agad tayo niyan. And then, next month guys. So, ayan, yung January of 2022. So, alpha version yung lalabas ngayon para masubukan na ninyo. January of 2022, play to earn na tayo. Yan. Dragon Race, staking NFT, Android and iOS, and PC and Mac OS will all be released January. Yan. Bilis lang yan guys. Sobrang bilis lang yan. Pero I strongly suggest, simulan na ninyo this December. Make sure to secure your tokens as early as possible para mura pa. Okay? And then, alpha version, subukan na ninyo yan para alam din ninyo when you do your own research, papatok ba to? Ito ba yung gusto kong pag-investan? Diba? Na game. And then, March of 2022, new racing model, new training feature, and quarter 2 of 2022 is Dragon for Rent, race course, rent, and Hydra Cup. And yung mga ano niya. So, yung renting quarter 2 of 2022 pa pala yan. Pero tingnan natin kung paano tayo makakapag start sa scholarship ng Hydraverse as soon as lumabas siya. Baka naman merong feature na pwede naman na katulad ng mga ibang games na QR code lang, di ba? Okay. So next is the team. Ayan, silipin na lang din yan. Si Ryan Nguyen, Ton Yung Nguyen, Kwang Nguyen, Tracy Wang. Hindi ko alam ba't ang daming Nguyen sa parang pare-pare sila na apelido. Ano ba yan? Parang sa Japanese, parang san. Ibig sabihin parang paggalang. Diba? Parang kung Tumakashi-san. Mga ganyan. So advisors, yan. Meron mga ano yan. X Network Capital, Everse Capital, BSC News, Vietnam Blockchain Community. So yun yung mga advisors guys. And ayan na sinasabi ko, mga backers na kumbaga isa sa mga makakapagpa-increase ng confidence natin in terms of investing money, okay, is yung mga backers ng project. Kasi itong mga to, again, yan yung tinatawag ng mga venture capitals or yung mga investors sa mga project. So hindi naman basta-bastang mag-i-invest yan sa isang project kung hindi nila ni-research din or hindi nila pinag-present yung developers. And kumbaga, parang tayo yan they do their own research and sasabihin nila or if you figure out nila profitable ba tong project nito, pag profitable, invest natin. Diba? Parang ganon. So it helps, pero don't rely on that alone. Okay? It helps to know na napakarami nila, tingnan nyo naman, napakarami nilang backers, and appeared on Business Insider, CoinMarketCap, MarketWatch, Chain Broker, News BTC, and Cryptonomics. Media partners is BSC News and Coin123. Yan, yung mga media partners niya. So, guys, ito yung niya, yung tawag dito, social media. Mga social medias niya lagay din natin sa description of the video. Para isang click lang, join their Telegram, join yung Facebook groups. Yan. Tsaka kung ano pa yung mga makakatulong sa inyo sa pagre-research ninyo, and make sure guys to do your own research as soon as possible and only spend money na extra sa inyo. Okay? So wag ipang utang. Yan ang dyan. Okay, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga importanteng malaman ninyo dito sa nila, sa white paper. Lipat lang ako sa kabila. Ayan. So what is Hydraverse? Balikan na lang ninyo yung what is Hydraverse na yan. Dragon Racing, basically ang gimmick niya. Hydraverse follows the traditional racing game. However, our character is one of a kind. We let your dragons join the race. 3D NFT. Ayan, 3D sila guys. Hindi sila 2D na flat. Okay, mga flat isometric na mga games. Hindi sila ganon. Di rin poly... Ano ba yung tawag nila? Poly something. Okay, so mission and vision nandyan. Character in-game. Ayan, mga characters nila guys. Movement speed affects race results. Ayan yung mga niya guys attributes. Yan, attributes ang How to level up your Hydraverse dragons. Dragons are numbered with stars from 1 to 5. Okay. There might be dragons that are originally starred higher with than the others, which also possess high statistics. But don't worry if your dragon is not strong from the beginning, as you combine the dragons at lower stars as follows. So ayan, makikita ninyo, pwede din yung i-combine. So that is one of their burning mechanism. Okay, so may flow chart din. Ayan, yung game flow. So Dragon Park, earn D-coin. Tapos, hindi, paano pang nito? Paano labas? Bakit ganun? Palabas yung arrow, tapos ito puro papunta dito, tapos papunta din dito. Asan yung palabas niya? Diba? So ayan, yun yung gimmick niya. Training, dragon. Ito pala. Dito pala magsisimula sa dragon. Ano ba yan? Okay, so dragon, training, ayan, training, tapos may feeding, may playing. And then, pag finid mo, earn XP, earn level. Pagka, nanalo ka na sa race. Ayan. Paano ba tong gimmick dito? Dragon, Hydra Cup, win, earn D-coin. Yan yung pinaka-basic na gimmick. Ayan, Dragon, race, win, earn D-coin din. Yan yung mga gimmick niya. Okay, gameplay. So, Dragon Egg, Dragon Training, Dragon Exhibition, Dragon for Rent. Tingnan nga natin itong Dragon for Rent. Any dragon owners can rent dragons through the promising HDV that they only need to post information about dragons, rental prices, and rental periods. The system will provide this information to those wishing to rent dragons. There are two types of rentals, a fixed price rental. The dragon owners will post a dragon rental for a fixed price for a fixed period of time. If the tenant agrees to that price, they will rent. So reward sharing rental, ito yung parang scholarship talaga. Yan. Tenants do not have to pay fees when renting dragons but will share some of their rewards through dragon races. Sana yung reward sharing nila pwedeng bagu-baguhin yung percentage. So, kunyari 60-40, di ba? 60% kay owner, 40% dun sa magre-rent. Parang ganun. Or pwede mong gawing 50-50, depende sa kung, kunyari, kilala mo naman yung or scholar mo na dati, pwede mo naman bagu-baguhin. Sana ganun ang nila. Okay, so race course for rent. Race course is owned by the publisher and players can rent the race course long term. Players go to the race course rental area, choose the racetrack and the rental period to be hired. By this way, the player will have the following benefits. Enjoy 70% participant fees from races. Okay yan ah. So ibig sabihin yung race course parang yan siguro yung land no guys. Kasi kumbaga yun yung ginagamit ng mga nagre-race eh. Tapos meron kang percentage dun sa dun sa price, parang ganoon. Etong AR gusto ko na malaman. Yan. Each dragon can be represented in reality via AR or augmented reality. So kung nakita na ninyo yung Pokemon Go, Safe Hamsters din, ganyan yung niya, augmented reality na din. Players can click on the dragon and show the view in reality through the camera. Yan. Or generate a QR code to send to friends. Friends can also view their dragons in reality through the code. Players can experience the feeling of reality through the perspective of their own dragon. Put your own glasses for a better experience and see your dragon speed up to overcome other opponents or feel the vibrations when the dragon collide. Astig naman yun. So, augmented reality, tas pwede mong gamitin siguro yung yung parang VR box, no? Para pag gumanon-ganon ka na, mo nararamdaman mo or gumagalaw talaga siya. So, solid to guys ah. Mukhang very promising tong project na to. Yung ibang project kasi na ni-review ko before para medyo hindi pa pulidong hindi pa masyadong pulido na parang naipilit lang siya na augmented reality. So pero ewan ko siguro naman in-improve na nila ngayon, 'di ba? Dragon Ball wala pa yan dyan. Roadmap team advisors yung kanina. So yun yung natin na silip natin. Tingnan natin ano pang mga dito. Ano pang meron sa website nila. So join alpha test and pwede kayo mag-register and then download guys. Silipin natin yung marketplace. Ayan. So test pa lang to guys oh. Test marketplace pa lang to. So makikita nyo dito yung magiging itsura nung marketplace pag lumabas siya. Activity, tingnan natin. Wala pa yan. So marketplace. Wala pa yung picture eh. So yan. Nothing special naman. Palagi ko hindi naman kailangan parang sobrang pagandahin mo yung marketplace mo. 'Di ba? As long as it can do what needs to be done. Magbenta, magbumili, magpa-rent and everything like that. Okay na yun. Kumbaga mas mag-invest na sila ng time dun sa pagde-develop ng mismong game. Okay, so most likely guys, yun lang muna ang update natin kay Hydraverse. Sa next content natin, alpha test tayo, okay? Para makita ninyo kung anong itsura talaga ng anong itsura ng mga dragons. Sana na din, pwede na yung AR, di ba? Yung VR din. Tingnan ko kung meron akong doon. Meron akong actually may VR box dito, yung sa anak ko. Hiramin ko muna. Tingnan natin kung paano yung gimmick nun para malaman ninyo. Okay? So if you are new to my channel, guys, please do not forget to click that like and that subscribe. Click that bell. Again, set new to all, guys. Para lagi kayong notified sa mga ina-upload natin ng mga updates, mga announcements. Ito, game review. Yung sequel nitong itong content na to will be yung gameplay ng Hydraverse. So abangan nyo yun para, alam nyo yun, masilip din nyo. Ganun pala yung itsura nun pagka nasa pagka may gamit kang VR box. Okay? So that's it for now. I'm out. Peace!